Hello, Papa. Happy 81st birthday. I want to tell you so many memories, sana pa, if you are here with me. But one thing that I will not forget, growing up, is that when I was still in first grade sa UIC, you would come to my school at lunchtime, and then you would take me to Pangkerohan Market. Then mga unta dito ka ng ice cream or chocolate, and then you would tell me to parang buy something, mga stationeries and all, mga candies, ganyan. And until now, it's still a happy memories ako, even at my age now. Whenever I think of that time of my childhood, my heart is grateful that you are my father. And then until I got married, I have my own children. You're always there to provide, and not only for me, but for my children. Palitan mo sila ng ice cream, mga candies, and all that. You would come to Asuncion also to just, bring us groceries. And all of this know that are always remembered. And we are grateful for you. Ako, imuhang mga ako, kami ni Buboy, that you are my father. And salamat sa tanan pa, sa tanang advice, sa tanang encouragement nimo sa amo, and for protecting us always growing up, sending us to the best schools, and giving me really good, big baon when I was in college. Even without asking for it, you would ask me na, oh, Day, napakay kwarta din ha? And then you would give me money. And that time, 500, 1,000 pesos was really big. And I remember one time pa when I asked you that I need to buy stockings. And then what you did was, the stockings at the time was only 50 pesos. And you gave me 500, thinking that the stockings would cost 500 pesos. But then you said, oh, just keep the change. So all of this pa, your generosity, your love, and everything, pasalamat yun na ikaw ang mga papa. Thank you pa for everything, and Merry Christmas. I know. Happy birthday, Ditay. Thank you pa. Love you.
Happy birthday,
Papa Boy!
Papa Boy. Papa, happy birthday pa. Hinaut na tagapagagtaas na kinabuhi pa. 5 years from now pa, mo retire namin ni Cynthia. Hinaut na mag-ubat pa ba, magbalti ka diya. O, ako yung po kanunay pa, kamo ni Mama na tagapagagtaas kinabuhi pa. Magbalik tayo kasi mong adlaw sa mong birthday pa. Uban na imong parinti o imong mga friends pa. Once again, happy birthday, Papa Boy.
Enjoy your day, Papa.
Bye-bye.
Birthday pa. We always pray for your good health, for your happiness, and your safety. Thanks for everything, for your love, for your care. Ikan sa mga pamilya, ako si Steve, ug akong duha ka boys, who is very proud of you as their lolo, si Patrick ug si Rodney. God bless pa. We love you so much.
Hello, Papa. Happy birthday. Sorry pa. Wala ko nakauli. Wish you more years, birthdays to come. And good health. Always. God bless. Love you, Papa. Miss you. Mama.
Hi Daddy Boy, happy birthday. Wishing you good health. Sana makabalik na kami dyan and ingat always.
Happy birthday, Daddy Boy. I thank you for being one of my many inspirations in life and for being the best lolo ever. I wish you good health and many more birthdays to come. I love you, De.
Happy birthday, Daddy Boy, the old man. I got ice cream for you.